Cherry Blossom. Popularly known as Sakura in Japan, has been considered as a symbol of peace and tranquility. Japan has been celebrating Cherry Blossom Festival, popularly known as Hanami, since 3rd century AD. Japanese people have been planting cherry blossom since many years in several countries like USA, Canada, Brazil, Germany, France, Netherlands, UK, South Korea, China, New Zealand, Australia and many other countries, spreading the message of peace and strengthening bilateral friendship. It has been speculated that although the probable origin of cherry blossom is Himalayas, it could not become very popular in the Himalayan region, especially in countries like India, Nepal, Bhutan, etc. Realizing the importance and potential of cherry blossom to promote peace, prosperity and sustainable development, Dr. Dinabandhu Sahoo, a professor at Department of Botany, University of Delhi, and presently Director of Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development, a National Institute of Department of Biotechnology, Government of India, initiated a major research and development program in the northeastern states of India. He made several trips to different parts of Himalayas in search of cherry blossom. To his surprise, he spotted a few sakura trees are growing in the state of Meghalaya, which are not so well known amongst people. After months of planning and research, IBSD decided to go for large-scale cherry blossom plantation at Shillong in collaboration with Meghalaya Basin Development Authority and the Forest Department of the Government of Meghalaya. Finally, during May 2015, IBSD launched India's first Cherry Blossom Festival initiative at Shillong with Dr. Mukul Sangma, Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, launching the program and planting the saplings with other state government officials participating. This effort led to plantation of thousands of cherry trees along roadside to create cherry blossom avenues in the state. While sakura flowers are in full bloom during March and April in Japan, to Sahoo's surprise, he found that cherry blossom blooms only for 10 to 15 days during the first half of November.
We have the full cherry blossom view in Shillong, the capital of Meghalaya.
So all along the roadside and in the famous Watts Lake to enjoy the Cherry Blossom Festival.
A large number of people visited to watch cherry blossom in full bloom. After the successful program, Sahoo took the initiative to spread the program in the neighboring state of Manipur. Saplings of cherry blossom were planted at Second World War site at the Indian Peace Memorial by Shri Okram Ebobi Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Ambassador of Japan to India, High Commissioner of Australia to India and many other dignitaries. In the meantime, the news of Cherry Blossom program in India was published in the Japanese media. Gifu Cherry Blossom Association of Japan, which has been planting sakura trees around the world, contacted Professor Sahoo and expressed their desire to hold a sakura plantation ceremony in India. On February the 11th, 2016, a number of Japanese from Gifu Cherry Blossom Association of Japan came to Delhi and launched the program.
Cherry blossom or sakura is just not a plant, but it is the lifeline in Japan. We must thank the Japanese people who have come. See the passion of these people who have been planting this tree.
小川に生まれ行くとせの大い桜植え替えられる定めにも返しのび力強く根を張って枝いっぱいに 花開く青空にまばゆく光る追い桜人々の心に生える初桜希望に燃えて見つけ出す新世界夢見るつぼみ膨らんで枝いっぱいに花開く青空にまばゆく光る初桜
Professor D.B. Sahoo has played an instrumental role.
This was a very great opportunity provided to us by Professor Sahoo, the planting of the cherry tree. The cherry blossom itself has such a great message, that of gentleness.
It was a great experience to be a part of history, like we get to know about Sakura plant and we actually planted it. So it was nice and yeah, it strengthens the bond between Japan and India. So it was great.
Has happened for the first time in India.
Cherry blossom or sakura is not just a plant, but it is the lifeline in Japan. We must thank the Japanese people. India became the 28th country in the world, and Delhi is the first city in India to host a sakura plantation ceremony between India and Japan. While the exploration and expansion for cherry blossom continues, Professor Sahoo found a new variety of cherry blossom growing in the unexplored hills of northeastern Himalayas.
Sakura tree, which has been found in Mao Hills of Manipur,
which blossoms in the month of March. His mission on cherry blossom to bring peace, prosperity and sustainable development continues.